Welcome to my channel Learn Mathematics with B.R. Panda. In this video, I am going to discuss about a new topic of your syllabus, that is relations. Okay, so now consider a set A which contain three famous sports person, suppose MS Dhoni, Mary Kom, and suppose Dhyan Chand. Consider another set B containing three games, suppose cricket, tennis, and suppose hockey. Can you imagine A cross B? Can you imagine A cross B? A cross B is the collection of all ordered pairs. Dhoni cricket, Mary Kom tennis, Dhyan Chand hockey, Dhoni tennis, Dhoni hockey, Mary Kom cricket, Mary Kom hockey, Dhyan Chand cricket, and Dhyan Chand tennis. This is the collection A cross B. Let us define a relation is a player of. Is a player of. Let us define a relation is a player of, and this is the relation from the set A to B. A from the set A to the set B. That means an element of set A is to be filled here, and another element of set B is to be filled here. So how can we relate A and B? Okay, so we can say Dhoni is a player of cricket. Yes, if I write Dhoni here, then here we can write cricket. Dhoni is a player of cricket. So ये जो रिलेशन है इज ए प्लेयर ऑफ, इसको और थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देते हैं. सपोज इसका नाम मैंने रख दिया आर. आर मीन्स दिस रिलेशन, आर मीन्स इज ए प्लेयर ऑफ, इज ए प्लेयर ऑफ. सो धोनी R cricket means Dhoni is related with the relation R with cricket. Dhoni is related with the relation R with cricket. That means we can write Dhoni R cricket. Or in other word, we can write it as Dhoni cricket. This ordered pair is an element of R. It means Dhoni is related with the relation R with cricket. What is the relation? Relation is a player of, that means Dhoni is a player of cricket. Dhoni is a player of cricket. If we write Dhoni here, can I write tennis here? No. Dhoni is not a player of tennis. So Dhoni is not related to tennis. Dhoni is not related to tennis. Dhoni is not related to hockey. So if I write Mary Kom here, Mary Kom is not related to cricket, Mary Kom is not related to tennis, Mary Kom is not a player of hockey. So we can write Mary Kom is not related to any of the element of B. Let us consider this Dhyan Chand. If we take Dhyan Chand here, this Dhyan Chand is a player of cricket? No, Dhyan Chand is not a player of cricket. So Dhyan Chand is not related to cricket, Dhyan Chand is not related to tennis, but this Dhyan Chand is related to hockey. So we can write Dhyan Chand is related with the relation R with hockey. So Dhyan Chand and the ordered pair Dhyan Chand hockey belongs to R. Belongs to R. So if we write this relation R, let us write R in terms of ordered pairs. R. This R is the collection of two elements, Dhoni, cricket, Dhyan Chand, hockey. So this relation is the collection of only two ordered pairs, Dhyan Chand cricket and Dhyan Chand hockey. Okay, now this relation, this is the relation R from A to B. Okay, so again, if we want to write this relation in terms of set builder form, this is in terms of, yes, tabular form. That means this R is a set of ordered pairs. Now, if we write this R in terms of, yes, in terms of set builder form, we can write it as the collection of all ordered pair xy. This R is the collection of all ordered pair xy such that this x is a player of y, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So this is the relation. This represent the same relation. This is I have written in set builder form, and this in terms of the collection of ordered pairs. Okay, so both are the relation. This R is a relation from A to B. This R is a relation from A to B. Okay, now you can observe this R is a subset of A cross B. This R is a subset of A cross B because this element Dhoni cricket is an element of A cross B. Dhyanchand hockey is also an element of A cross B. So this R is a subset of A cross B. So let us define a relation. What do you mean by, what does the word relation mean? So relation, let us define a relation. Relation. Definition of relation. Let us come to definition of relation. So a relation R from a set A, from a set A, here set means you consider it as non-empty set. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of A cross B. So a relation R from a set A to a set B is a subset of A cross B. In other words, we can say every subset of A cross B, every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. Every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. Okay, let us take an example. So suppose A is the collection of two element A, B. And suppose B is the collection of three elements 1, 2 and 3. Can you imagine A cross B? A cross B is the collection of ordered pairs A1, A2, B1, B2, A3 and B3. This collection of ordered pairs represent A cross B. Let us define a set of ordered pairs R1. Suppose this R1 is the collection of A1 and B2. Let us take one more element here, suppose C. So in A cross B, you will find C1, C2 and C3. Okay, so if we consider this is suppose R1. Is this R1 a relation from A to B? How can we verify whether this R1 is a relation from A to B or not? If this R1 is a subset of A cross B, then this R1 is a relation from A to B. If R1 is not a subset of A cross B, then this R1 is not a relation from A to B. So let us verify whether this R1 is a subset of A cross B or not. So A1, this A is an element of A, 1 is an element of B. Again, this B is an element of A, 2 is an element of B. Yes, this R1 is a subset of A cross B. And since this R1 is a subset of A cross B, this R1 is a relation from A to B. Relation from A to B. Let us consider another set of ordered pairs R2. Suppose this R2 is the collection of A1 and C4. A1 and C4. We have to check whether this R2 is a relation from A to B or not. Let us see. This C4 is not an element of A cross B because this 4 is not an element of B. So R2 is not a subset of A cross B. That's why this R2 is not a relation from A to B. Let us define two more new terms. Okay, so domain of a relation and range of a relation. Domain of a relation. Domain of a relation denoted by D of R. This D of R means domain of the relation R, and this domain of the relation R is defined as the collection of all first element of the relation. Collection of all first element of the relation, that means in symbolically we can write is as the collection of all x such that this AB belongs to R. Similarly, let us define range of R denoted by R of R. This R of R means range of R. Range of the relation R is denoted by R of R is the collection of all second element. That means is the collection of all B such that AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R, collection of all second element. So can you find domain of this relation R1? Domain of this relation R1. So domain of this relation R1 is collection of all first element A and B. Okay. So A and B. And you can verify this domain of this relation R must be a subset of A. Okay. Similarly, can you find range of this relation R1? Range of this relation R1 is a collection of all second element 1, 2. 1 and 2. Okay. So you can verify this range of this relation R1 is a subset of B. Similarly, in the previous example, domain of the relation R is the collection of only Dhoni and Dhyan Chand. We cannot include Mary Kom because Mary Kom is not related to any element of the set B. Similarly, range of the relation R is only two elements, cricket and hockey, because that element tennis is not related with to any element with of the set A. Okay, so let us take one example. Okay, so let us consider this set A is the collection of 1, 2, 3 up to 14. And let us define a relation in A. A relation R in A. Relation R in A का मतलब है the relation R from A to A. The relation from A to A can be written as relation in A. Okay, so if R is a relation in A defined by this R is the collection of all order pair xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. X, y belongs to A. Okay, so this is the relation. This relation is here given in terms of set builder form. And this is the question. You have to express this relation R in terms of set of ordered pairs. So how can we do this? So here this X can be taken any one element of this A. That means 14 options are there for X and 14 options are there for Y. Okay, let us check whether this relation 1, this ordered pair 1, 1 belongs to R or not. That means 1 is related to 1 or not. Okay, so you consider this relation 3x minus y is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 1. Again y is equal to 1. If we put in 1 in place of x and 1 in place of y, can I write 3 into 1 minus 1? This can be written as 3 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is false. It's not equal to 0. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 is not equal to 0. So 1, 1 doesn't belongs to R. Doesn't belongs to R. Okay, can you check whether 3, 1 belongs to R or not? Yeah, 1, 3 belongs to R or not? Okay, 3 into 1 minus 3, yes, is equal to 0. So this 1, 3 belongs to R. Okay, but in this way, if we find all the elements of this R in this way, it will be time taking. So let us change the method. Okay, हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे? Let us consider this relation 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3x minus y is equal to 0, and this can be written as y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. So if we take the value of x as 1, let us write this R in terms of set of ordered pairs. Okay, if we take x as 1, what will be the value of y? Y is 3. Okay, 1, 3 is an element of R. Similarly, if we take x is equal to 2, what will be the value of y? Y is 6. 2, 6 is an element of R. Similarly, 3, 9 is an element of R. Again, yes, 4, 12. 4, 12 is an element of R. Then 5, 15. Then क्या आ रहा है? 5, 15. But 15 is not an element of this A. So 5, 15 will not be an element of R. So this R is the collection of only 4 elements. Only 4 ordered pairs. Again, we can find domain of this relation R. Domain of this relation R as 1, 2, 3, 4, because we have to collect only the first element of the ordered pairs. Similarly, range of the relation R is the collection of all second element, that means 3, 6, 9 and 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, this is all about the introduction of the relation R. Thank you.